Wherever I go, then in this geopolitical context that we are right now, we see the wish for more Europe, not less. And why? Because we have the superpowers that are clearly not interested in a world that is based on some kind of rules that also apply to them. And then, the next one in this is actually Europe, if you take the size. Of course, we are not military power. We are building our, defense and defense industry to be one. But we are a power, the only power in the world who actually stands for human rights and, the rights that actually influence the lives of people. Really. And this is our strength. When I was younger, I remember I read a book about the strengths that each of us have. And so the principle of that was that, if you work with your weaknesses, there will always be your weaknesses. But if you want to become a number one, you have to strengthen your strengths. So what are our strengths as European Union? And this is, actually really the rights of people that also bring prosperity. One example that I always bring is like, some say, I was in some country and they said, you have all this bureaucracy and rules. Well, yes, we have those rules, but why do we have those rules? We have those rules because, they are for the people. And one example that I bring is that, when the Chinese were investing in one copper factory in Serbia, they immediately removed all the filters of this factory because then the processes are more effective and produce, more money for you. But what started to happen was that people around this factory started to get lung cancer. So the point being that, we have those rules regarding, clean air, for example, but this is for the health of people. So I think we also need to tell that story, and if we hear that this human rights issues are all woke or whatever, that we shouldn't fight for these or we shouldn't even think about or talk about this, then actually what you like the equality of people is actually the basis for prosperity or the rule of law. I mean, if the people or if the investors trust your economy, they also trust to invest into your economy. That means again, prosperity and jobs for the people. So I think we really need to build on the strengths, and we also need to cater this wish that countries have to have partnership with us, because we are the reliable partner in the world.